Hi, it's Liam here at Supreme. Today we're going to show you how to jump a dead vehicle. So these are your booster cables. The red's your positives, the black is your ground, your negative. It's pretty easy to tell because your positive on your car will almost always have a red cap over it. That's where you're going to put the red cable. And then on the negative side of your battery, you will put your other cable. Some batteries might have a cover over hiding it. Pull that off. Again, with the other end of the cables, you're gonna see the other red mark there with the positive. It has a little positive mark. You're gonna put the cables on there. And then this one actually has a ground post on the side, but you can see it comes from the... So now that you're hooked up at both ends with the one vehicle running, you'll be able to start this in a few minutes once the battery charges. Sometimes it's right away, sometimes you have to wait a minute. And then you just take the cables off one at a time, making sure not to touch them together. And you should be good to go. Thanks for tuning in to Supreme Tire and Auto's channel. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more Supreme content. And remember, if you can't come to us, we'll come to you. We'll pick up your vehicle, service it, drop it off. Check the link in the description for an appointment. We'll see you guys next time.